Are you tired of the same old workout routines and looking for something that delivers results in less time? What if you could burn fat, build muscle, and improve your endurance all in one workout without spending hours at the gym? Enter HIIT, High Intensity Interval Training, a fast-paced, efficient workout designed to push your limits. But is HIIT really suitable for beginners, or is it too intense to start with? Let's break it down and find out how a HIIT workout plan can be perfect for those just starting their fitness journey. First, let's understand, what is HIIT? HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, which are usually shorter workouts lasting 15 minutes or more, comprising bursts of really high intensity and full energy exercise with brief recovery periods. These workouts burn a higher number of calories in less time, and studies have shown they're actually just as effective, if not more, than longer, steady cardio sessions. It also helps your body use more oxygen for energy, improving your endurance and performance. HIIT workouts are great for beginners because they're short and easy to fit into your daily routine. If you don't have time to go to the gym, no problem. You can do a 15-minute HIIT session right at home, and with a little consistency, you'll still see amazing results. Let's get started with a warm-up to prepare your body for the workout ahead. Start with arm circles. Stand straight with the width of your feet equal to the width of your shoulders. Reach your hands to the side at shoulder height. Begin with small circles in your arms that get slowly bigger. Do this for 30 seconds in one direction and then switch to the other direction. This exercise helps to mobilize your shoulders and upper body. Now we will do leg swings. Find a wall or sturdy object to support you. Place your left leg in front of you and bring it forward and backward, keeping it straight, standing on your right leg. Try to get a controlled leg motion without jerking your leg. Do 15 to 20 swings on each leg. It helps loosen up your lower body and open up your hips before the workout. Finally, let's do some dynamic stretching. You need a wall or sturdy object again that you used for support. Reach up overhead and hinge your hips to reach your toes while bending your knees slightly if you need to. Take turns reaching up and bending down for about 1 minute. By doing this, your body will become flexible and get ready for HIIT exercises. Workout. As we are warmed up now, let's get started with our HIIT workout. We will do each exercise for 40 seconds and rest for 20 seconds. This particular structure keeps balance between high-intensity activity and giving your body some time to recover, which is perfect for building strength and endurance. Number 1. We'll begin with push-ups. This exercise is great for strengthening the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder-width apart and your body on a straight line from head to heels. When you bring your body down, try to bend your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Try and put your chest as flat as you can to the floor without actually making contact. Throughout your movement, keep your core tight and your back straight to not squish or arch your back. Lay down if you're a beginner and feel free to modify dropping to your knees. Remember, form is more important than speed. Do 40 seconds of push-ups and then rest for 20 seconds. Number 2. Next up, we have squats, an important exercise for strengthening the lower half of the body. Your feet should be shoulder width and your toes slightly out. Imagine that you're sitting in an invisible chair as you lower your body. Relax your shoulders and limit the movement of your upper body. The point is to keep your chest lifted, your back straight, and your knees behind your toes as you descend. Push through your heels engaging your core and squeeze your glutes as you go. This workout works on your core as well as your legs. Squat it out for 40 seconds, followed by the rest for 20 seconds. Number 3. Now let's get moving with butt kicks. It is really good for warming up the hamstrings and put some cardio in our routine. Get started with jogging in place, but pushing each of your heels towards your glutes as you move your foot forward. It can be adjusted to your fitness level, go faster for more intensity or slower if you need to. Engage your core and keep yourself upright. Let's keep the energy high for 40 seconds. Then you can rest for 20 seconds. Number 4. Now we have tricep dips. For this exercise, find a sturdy chair or a bench. Sit on the edge of the bench and put your hands next to you with your fingers facing forward. Bend your elbows and lower your body as you slide off the edge. Try to keep your elbows next to your side for the maximum workout on the triceps. Push through your palms to return to the starting position, engaging your triceps as you rise. If you're comfortable, try to lower yourself down so your elbows are at 90 degrees. Now keep going for 40 seconds and then rest for the next 20 seconds. Number 5. Next, we'll do side lunges. This exercise focuses on the inner and outer thighs, glutes, and quadriceps. Keep your feet together. Take a big step to the right. Keep your back upright, bend your right knee while keeping your left leg straight. Don't forget to push your hips backward and keep your chest up. Push back to the center and then step out to the left side of your body, repeating the movement. This lateral movement is a great way to develop stability and balance. Continue for 40 seconds and then rest for 20 seconds. Repeat this circuit twice, pushing yourself while maintaining good form. Now let's cool down to help your body recover. Start with standing forward bend. Take a deep breath in, stand tall as you exhale. Bend at your hips and fold forward, allowing your head to hang heavy. Take this position for around 30 seconds while you feel the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Now let's transition into child's pose. Kneel on the mat, then sit back on your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you. Place your forehead on the ground. Take this pose for about a minute and feel the stretch on your shoulders and back. Finally, let's finish with some neck stretches. Sit up tall and tilt your head toward one shoulder in a gentle manner, moving your ear towards it, and hold for 15 seconds. Switch sides and repeat the process. This will release tension from your workout. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to discuss some incredible health benefits of incorporating high-intensity interval training into your fitness routine. Number 1. It enhances cardiovascular health. HIIT workouts can have considerable positive effects on your cardiovascular health. Its formulation actually strengthens one's heart muscles, where the heart has to work at a higher rate for a short period before it can rest. This enhanced function of the heart lowers the chance of heart disease and improves the ability of the body to endure extra activities. Number 2. It increases metabolic rate. The most appealing advantage of HIIT is that it helps you to increase your metabolism. After HIIT training, the body's ability to use calories for a number of hours, even during a resting point, is well improved. Your body's oxygen demand and consumption levels exceed its normal range for a while. This concept is called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, which can further contribute to calorie burning and weight loss. Number 3. It improves insulin sensitivity. HIIT can play a vital role in controlling blood sugar levels. It reduces your chance of becoming insulin resistant. And it's very helpful for patients with prediabetes or those who are vulnerable to metabolic syndrome. Number 4. It enhances mental health. Exercise is one of the best organic ways to improve mental health, as it helps to release happy hormones, improve sleep, build resistance, boost confidence, and even fight depression. HIIT is no different. HIIT training has been shown in several studies to improve mental well-being, especially in those who have schizophrenia spectrum disorders. That's it for your beginner's HIIT workout of the day. We hope you enjoyed this and felt the burn. It's a fantastic way to get fit without spending several hours at the gym. Consistency is key, and if you keep doing it, you'll be seeing great results. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite and what type of workouts you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.